In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Virgin Money. If you need a checkbook or a pay-in book for your Virgin Money current account, the process is fairly straightforward, but the exact method depends on whether this is your first time ordering one or whether you're simply requesting a replacement. To get started, head over to the Virgin Money support website. This is where you can find the official guidance on ordering a checkbook or pay-in book, and it's a good place to confirm the most up-to-date instructions before you continue. Now here's the important part. If this is your first time ordering a checkbook or pay-in book for your Virgin Money current account, you'll need to contact Virgin Money directly. In other words, first-time orders aren't placed through the app or internet banking in the same way as replacement orders, so make sure you follow that requirement to avoid any confusion or delays. If you've had a checkbook with Virgin Money before and you now need a replacement, you can order one either through the Virgin Money mobile banking app or through internet banking. Both options are convenient so you can choose whichever one you prefer. If you're using the Virgin Money mobile banking app, begin by opening the app and looking at the menu along the bottom of the screen. Tap the payments icon. From there, choose either order a checkbook or order a pay-in book, depending on what you need. Next, select the account you want the checkbook or pay-in book linked to, and then tap Order Now to submit the request. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly check that you've selected the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. If you'd rather use internet banking, go to the Virgin Money internet banking page and sign in securely. Once you're in, select the account you'd like the checkbook or pay-in book for. Then, in the Your Account section, click Order a new checkbook or Order a new pay-in book. After that, click Order Now to complete the request. That's really all there is to it. The key thing to remember is that first-time checkbook or pay-in book requests need direct contact with Virgin Money, while replacement orders can be made quickly through the mobile app or internet banking. If you run into any issues, checking the support page again can help clarify the latest options available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped.